Hello guys and girls, welcome to a bright new day. Today is Tuesday 18th of March 2025. Okay, this is Astrofair Trading Limited. Okay, so in this short video this morning, I would just want to show us 3 different trades that were posted on our Telegram channel last week, and we want to see how this trade has actually played out well. So the first one we're going to be talking about is USDCAD, then followed by AUDJPY, and followed by GBPJPY. So first, let's look into USDCAD. Now, last week, they posted something on USDCAD, and we saw that USDCAD is possibly going to continue the downtrend that just started. So in this case, we had a break of structure to the upside, price broke structure, and also took off the low here. So after the break of structure, our expectation was price should come into this and take off the high so that the trend continued, but that did not happen. In this case now, we saw that this low was not able to push the price higher to break the high, so we know it's already a weak low. So in this case now, price came and took off that low and caused a change of character right about here. So after the change of character, we were able to mark out our order flow, which is this area, and before the order flow we saw a whole lot of trendline liquidity right about here. So price came, created an internal trend, uptrend this way, and entered into the order flow, and immediately after entering to the order flow, price had to change character again, just like exactly what happened around this place. The same thing happened here again. There was a break of structure into the order flow, and there was a change of character. So we marked out a new order flow right here. So this was our first entry, and we expected that price should return from here and keep going down, aligning with the original trend that we have in view. So immediately price changed character right about here. We had a change of character. Now, after the change of character, we do not want to start engaging in a sell. We have to wait for price to pull back into the order flow, and price pull back into the order flow and also cause another shift in market structure. This break of structure signifies that yes, totally the market has shifted bearish. Don't mind you that change of character is not an indication that market is shifting, but whenever the new low is taken out, we can be confident enough to say, okay, there is a shift in market structure. But in this case now, after the shift in market structure, we don't still want to start selling around here. We need to wait for price to pull back into our new order flow. Now, in this case, along the line, along the impulsive structure that broke this structure here, or along this impulsive move, there are inducement area. The first high we saw here was an inducement area, and I was expecting price to take off this inducement or liquidity area, because when price gets here, there are a lot of people that's going to be selling this double top, right, and putting their stop loss right above here. So right above here, we know traders are going to put their stop loss, and there is tendency that the market is going to take them out and enter into the order flow before going in this direction. So this is very important, guys. So after this happened, then we expected price to start dropping. So we are going to hop into the chart right now and see how this has really played out. Stay tuned, guys. Now, guys, we are on the chart of USDCAD. You can see that there was nothing actually altered. The way it was on the Telegram channel is the same way we still have it right here. So we saw a bearish movement coming in right from this top, and the last aspect of the chart we saw last week was around this place. Yes, around here, and our expectation is that price take off this inducement that I just talked about, and exactly price took off that inducement right here, enter into the order flow. So everybody that that sold here and put their stop loss right above that high are in trouble. So this market push them out, take them out of the market, and immediately price start declining, and we can see how well this has really played out and is still possibly going to hit this target. So how many pips has that done to the downside? Just within 2 days, looking at it from that top to the lowest low the market reached right now, that market has given us 177 pips just within 2 days. So this is very clean and clear. So if this is the kind of setup you always wanted, you can kindly join our Telegram channel and see every post we put on that channel. You can as well comment and ask the questions of why do we expect trade to go in a specific direction. So that is going to help us as traders. So the next one we are going to be looking at is AUDJPY. Stay tuned. Okay, this is AUDJPY, guys, and we expected that price is supposed to actually rally. Now, when we get back to the chart, we're going to see the origin of what has really happened to AUDJPY. But the last thing I could see here was that we are actually in a very strong order flow or demand zone right about here. Now, price coming down, we saw all of this and there was a break of structure here. Now, our expectation was that price should come and hold here, like our supply zone around here. We expected price to come and hold this level at least to push price to the downside more, if I thought the trend is going to continue to the downside. But all those did not happen. So in this case, we have this level that was broken here. So that was a break of structure. Then after the break of structure, we had price rally and immediately broke this high. So that's an indication that there is already a change in character. That means the bearish character is ending and bullish character is coming into the market. So in this case, looking internally as well, the first thing we ever saw was this internal break of structure and change of character. So this is supposed to be the first entry as a early entry. After the change of character here, just like the mother picture, we also have it here. We have a break of structure right here, and we had a change of character, and the first thing the market did was to come down to this demand zone. This was the first entry, and that price rallied up right here. So in this case, once we broke the external change of character that we have here, our expectation, because this is going to be the origin right now, this area is going to be the origin that led to the change of character. I mean, this area is going to be our origin. So what we are saying is that this is an entire move to the upside, although it has its own fractal nature. As we can see, market will always have its own fractal nature in this manner. So but our expectation is that price should come low around this our order flow, that is the last pull bar to buy around here. So price came, we expected price to actually come into that order flow and start going up. And let's pop into our chart right now to see what really happened to AUDJPY. Okay, so on our chart, yes, we've not cleaned up anything as well. We are still there. So this was what I just explained. This was our expectation right here. And if you go back to that channel, you will see that exactly what we were expecting, price to come into this order flow for a up surge. Now, what happened? Exactly what happened. So price came, tapped into that order flow, right, and never looked back. They just moved. In fact, our target was 195 pips, but within 2 days this market has given us over 200 pips. That's 275 pips right to the top. So these are clean and clear trades that you are supposed to be taking as a trader. So if this is what interests you guys, I need you to actually look into this. Join our Telegram channel so you can see most of the trades that we post, and also ask your question on why do we think this market is going to go in a specific direction. I think that is going to help you as a trader. It's going to help you as a trader. Okay guys, the last one we're going to be talking about is pounds JPY GJ. Okay, so we expected price to come down this way and surge up on pounds JPY. Now we wanted a up move because price has started a bullish move pushing up, right? So we are going to go into the chart and see what is the cause of all of this. And the first thing we ever noticed was that there were a lot of liquidity right here, and we expect price to at least come and take off those liquidity. And we see what happened here as an internal range. Like we see everything here, and here price was consolidating, and all of a sudden took off all of this load. That was the liquidity sweep that we had here. This liquidity sweep, and also we saw this as the last impulsive structure to the downside, and markets created a change of character. Now after that change of character, we see how aggressive this market was. This is a trap for those that like chasing aggressive move. This was a trap. So price broke change character, and our expectation is that price is supposed to come back to rebalance that move. And in this case, price came back into our order flow. That is the last sell to buy structure that we have here. And price came into it, and all of a sudden, price moved up. But our major concern was this break of structure here. That is, we now have an origin right here that caused a break of structure right here. So again, our expectation is that price pushed down into our important area of interest right here. A point of interest around here. That's a bullish order block that we see here, and we expected price to rehearse from there and stop loss go below the low. So let's see what has really happened to pounds JPY on our chart. So here is pounds JPY. As we can see, that expectation is what we had exactly. That expectation was what we had. Price enter into the bullish order block, and ever since then price has been going up. So now you can see how clean and clear it is. So these are the kind of trades that you are supposed to be looking for as a trader. So in this case now, you will agree with me that as price is going up, we had another break of structure, and we are already waiting for price to do the same thing over and over again, come down in a way, and we start buying, looking for a buying opportunity. So these are the areas we start looking for the buying opportunity, guys. So the pounds JPY is still bullish, so you can have opportunity once the market retraces and go back up. Don't forget the market structure. Very simple: impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. You need a correction and to go long. So that is how it's going to be, guys. Keep it simple and happy trading week. So if this is the kind of setup you always like, kindly join our Telegram channel. I'm putting the link below this video. Join our Telegram channel so you can at least gain more insight for yourself as a trader. Have a blessed week, traders. Good day.